Yes, you are setting up shop right here on Weekend Smile. When it comes to industries to invest in, the food service is big business. Sian Bramwell owned a successful restaurant in Atlanta, but decided to move back home to start a multicultural restaurant called Gypsy House Tapas Restaurant. Yes.
Big question.
Yes.
Why in the name of Jesus
Why?
would you leave what people think is the place that you can make tons of money and come back to Jamaica to invest in your home?
Well,
Because it's your home.
exactly. And the first part is correct. You can go abroad and, make something of yourself and make good money. But at the end of the day, this is where I'm from. You have a lot of people who are not necessarily from here who are making
Tons of
substantial
money
here.
Yes,
Yeah.
so why not invest in my own country? And eventually, I do want to retire here. So now is the time for me to start my
Set up
seeds.
shop.
Yeah.
Set up shop right now.
Yeah.
All right. Now, what are some of the things that we'd have to consider if I want to open a business or a restaurant specifically right here in Jamaica?
Okay, well, the first thing is your product, food. That's what it's about. So the flavors, consistency. I wouldn't so much say business plan because your business plan it's gonna change. Your budget is gonna go outside the roof. My thing is just make sure you have a good team in hand, concept and food, and the food is the star of the show. So once you have that, everything else.
How long has Gypsy House been?
Oh, actually, tomorrow we're gonna be 9 months. It could have been a baby.
The baby's been
Actually,
born.
yeah, you're a baby.
Oh my gosh. So
Yeah.
you have been around for 9 months. How has the service been? I mean, the service has to be good for people to keep coming back, right?
Yes.
Has the patronage been good?
You know what? We're growing, and I'm thankful for that. I think this market is a lot easier compared to Atlanta.
Is it?
Yes.
Really? That's quite
easier.
interesting.
Yeah, I mean, it's a smaller market, so it's easier to penetrate. Atlanta, it took me at least a year and a half to break in.
Okay.
So
because it's smaller, you can actually see what people like, what people
Exactly.
don't like, what they go for. But tell us about the menu, because you have a number of things right
Me,
here.
I wonder how long we just stand up without opening knife and fork. So, I just have to open because I'm not going to top.
You're hungry. Okay. All right. So what do we have? Tell us about the
Okay,
menu.
so basically, this is patatas bravas. This is a classic Spanish tapas. So tapas basically means small portions.
Okay, I was
Think
just
of
about to ask you, what
appetizers.
is that? Okay.
Yeah, the idea is for you to order in
Lots
a
of
setting like
tiny
this.
stuff.
Exactly. Something similar to this. So by
But
the time
so
you're
one
done,
of these would have
you're
filled my
fine.
belly.
Exactly.
Well, that.
Well, that.
Or that.
Or that. Yeah, this
so,
no.
this one
Okay, so
is...
that's
This is
top-
patatas bravas.
patatas.
It's twice fried potatoes with a garlic aioli, and then we have, tomatoes and red onions.
Okay, come
Okay.
tally. Can we have another one of the knife and fork?
Sure,
Because we're not going to sit
absolutely.
here and go on like we're not hungry.
Okay, and so we're gonna taste this first, and then we move
And
on.
then
The
this
sauce.
one...
It's in the sauce. You have to
Oh,
try
you have
the
to
sauce.
stick it in the sauce.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
And then when you finish eat this now, what do you eat after that? Which one of these would
You
I
can
go
try
to
anything.
next?
Well, this is our firecracker shrimp. It's basically a sweet and sticky, tangy sauce that we put on it. Somewhat of a Asian inspired. This is our char siu pork belly, which is
Boy,
Chinese barbecue.
A year ago, would
You
I
were-
rub that?
Yeah, I know.
But not anymore.
You've changed the ways, right?
Yes, I have.
It's
and
okay. I'll have for both of us.
I know you
Right?
will.
Don't
So
worry.
you taste the pork.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
While we're tasting these tapas, these small portions,
Mm-hmm.
when people come to your restaurant, what is it that they should come for? There's so many restaurants, there's so many places around that are opening up, so many
Yeah.
places that serve good food.
Exactly.
What's special about... Stop it, not Tally. Tally, man. It's a struggle, Tally. Don't do that, man. I can imagine.
You love it.
It look like it's... So you can't like char siu some cauliflower for me?
We could. Yeah.
Like seriously, you can't do that with some cauliflower?
We could actually.
I'll do that and I'll definitely come eat it. So what's special?
What's
about-
special? Okay, so it's the atmosphere. We pride ourselves on our service. We try to make sure that it's a constant battle of making sure that you have the right team on hand to make sure that you're getting the spectacular service. Because I'm all about service, atmosphere, consistency. We want you to feel like you're probably somewhere in Rio or Spain, perhaps, and we're right there in the middle of New Kingston, concrete jungle, so to say, right?
Yes.
But it's kind of like an oasis.
And you are giving us the flavors and the food and the variety
Yeah.
as if I was probably in Spain or one of those places.
That's nice. I love it. Here's the thing though. So I come, the service is great, the food is great. Can I afford it?
Of course, yes. It's tapas. So the point of tapas is for you to order more than one, like I was saying before. So
Because of
with
the
that
portion
respect-
size.
exactly,
Okay.
it has to be affordable. So our price point starts as low as 500. Yeah.
$500?
$500.
Juice.
No.
Okay, well
So,
that sounds great.
yeah.
So where can I come and see you
Yes,
before we have
please.
to run?
Oh, no problem. We're at 18 Chelsea Avenue. So that's at the corner of Dominica Drive in New Kingston.
That's great because that's right around the corner from work.
Yay.
But I tasted the pork, and you just tried.
You've gone back to the
We're
pork.
gone back on the pork.
Jeez.
And you just tried the fish, right?
Yes, I did.
I taste. Is it anything special? Any special seasonings is there something that you must use? Like must
In what dish?
Mediterranean
Everything.
in your Mediterranean cuisine.
Well, we use a lot of garlic and
Yes, I can taste it.
ginger
It's
and other spices.
Don't tell her, she's too fast.
Yeah.
Your nice menu. Thank you so much for stopping
great.
by.
Oh,
and I
thank you
wish
for having
all the
me.
best.
Oh,
I
thank
hope
you.
tomorrow when your baby
Thank
is
you.
born,
I know,
it
right?
continues to thrive.
Thank
And
you,
blossom,
thank you,
because
thank
it tastes
you.
good.
Thank you.
Owner of Gypsy House Tapas Restaurant, CN Bramwell.
So